Hi everyone, welcome dear friends to our channel, and in this video I will show you and also tell you how you can quickly and easily mute text notifications on your iPhone. Don't forget friends, subscribe to our channel. Also please put your likes under the video and write comments. Well friends, let's go ahead and get into this topic, and I'm going to show you two methods how to do it. For the first one, please open up your settings and then scroll down a little bit. Go to the notifications section, and here also scroll down until you find the messages section. After that, here you can, for example, fully click to turn off any notifications from messages. Or you can, for example, go to the sound section a little bit lower down, and here you can select mute. It's like this. So friends, you will no longer have sound on text notifications on your iPhone. But if, friends, you want to make such restrictions not for all users, but only maybe for some users, then open up the messaging app. Go to the person you want, find them, and swipe the conversation from the right side to the left side, like this. After that, you will need to tap on the bell, which will be crossed out. This will mean that now you will not receive text notifications on that particular person's message. Dear friends, with these two methods, you will be able to mute text notifications on iPhone. Don't forget, put your like, subscribe to our channel, and also write your comments. I really hope you found the video useful and helpful. See you soon.